Introducing the Novio 3D Creator Quick Print software for operating Novio 3D printers. Experience 3D printing with the most easy-to-use 3D printing system software, especially created for everyone, beginners or even experts. We will show you in this video all the function of its every section and how incredible 3D Creator works. Novio 3D Creator software is divided into different sections. These sections include Title Bar, Menu Bar, Toolbar, Object View tab, Layer View tab, Printer Status, 3D Cartesian Plane, and Layer View Hint section. The Title Bar section displays the current version of the 3D Creator software, the nozzle size installed, and the material used set by the user. Menu Bar. The File tab allows the user to exit the software. The Settings tab will let the user know which serial port the printer is connected to. Under Help tab, there are Starter's Guide and About Novio 3D Creator. In Starter's Guide, the user can see the startup guide provided by Novio 3D, while in About Novio 3D Creator, the user can see all the information about the product and its developers. You can find in Preferences the language translation provided for the users. The toolbar shows all the tools that you need to set up before you proceed printing. The on or off button. This connects and disconnects the printer. Heat bed. This portion will let the user use the heat bed. Once you check the box for heat bed, a dialog box will appear where you will input and set the temperature. Maintenance calibration. This section allows the user to manually move the nozzle to their desired location through X, Y, and Z axis. Left extruder temperature. This allows the user to set the temperature for the left extruder. Test extrude. This will allow the user to manually extrude the filament prior to printing. This is for testing if the nozzle extruder is extruding the filament properly before proceeding to the final printing. Printer settings. This is where you will set of what model of Novio 3D printer you are using. Once you select a printer model, the print plate size is automatically set. Object View tab. The Object View tab will let you prepare and set up your 3D object before printing. Click this STL icon button to load your 3D drawing or design in STL file format. This button allows the user to scale up or scale down the loaded STL file. This button allows the user to rotate the 3D object in X, Y, and Z axis. Click this button to move your 3D object to the center of the Cartesian plane. Click this button to stick 3D object to the Cartesian plane. This button helps the user to auto-arrange the multiple objects placed in the plane. Delete button. This will delete the selected object only. Delete all. This will delete all objects placed in the plane. This section displays the actual size of the object placed in the plane. Clicking the Quick Print button will allow the user to use the Novio 3D auto-configured settings or set their own preferred settings through the Custom Settings tab. Novio 3D auto-configured settings is the auto-configured settings provided by Novio 3D to allow the user to easily set 3D print settings, especially for beginners. Tip size. This automatically detects the nozzle tip installed in the printer when online. Filament. This allows the user to choose what type of filament they want to use. Quick Print Quality. This is the auto-configured print quality settings made by Novio 3D. The settings include the default quality and the fine quality settings. Hollow. Enabling the sticker will let you 3D print your object without an infill. Support type. This will let you choose which type of support you want to have in your 3D object. Platform adhesion type. This adds additional support for the base of your 3D object. Spiralize the outer contour. Enable this sticker if you are printing vase figures. Slice button. Click this button to begin the slicing of your 3D object. The Custom Settings tab will let the user input their own preferred settings per parameter. Click this button to save your settings made in your loaded STL file and click Export as STL button. Layer View tab. Click this G-code button to load the G-code file. Click this button to export the generated G-code loaded in the plane. Click this Clear button if you need to clear the G-code to load a new G-code file. Click this button to finally start your 3D printing. Enabling the Light 3D will let the user view the G-code file into lighter image or detailed image of the object. This can let the user set on what layer the printer will pause. Click this button if you want to pause your 3D printing. Click this button if you want to stop your 3D printing. This setting allows the user to set the preferred printing speed. The best part of printing with a 3D Creator is that the user can change the printing speed even while it is on the printing process. Printer status. This printer status section is where you can see all the activities of the printer has done. 3D Cartesian Plane. In this 3D Cartesian Plane section, you can find where the sliced object is placed as well as the generated G-code and the estimated time needed for printing is also shown. The green color represents that this part is already printed, while the red one is still for process. Layer View Hint section. The Layer View Hint section is a guide for your mouse and keyboard control for viewing the 3D object in the Cartesian plane. Now that you know all the functions of Novio 3D Creator software, this will be your guide in operating this amazing quick print software. Enjoy the best FDM print experience in the world. 3D print the best quality, high definition 3D objects with Novio 3D.